There's glitter all over this.
But it looks cute.
Hi everyone. Oh, welcome back to our car. Are we always in the car? It seems like it.
Yes.
But today,
the car is preppy.
We are doing some crafting. We're going to Hobby Lobby to get these mock neck sweatshirts that we saw. They're very trendy, and then you get the little patches and you can, you know, make them whatever you want them to be. So they could be a cute summer sweatshirt. They could be a
sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt. They can be a dance sweatshirt.
Oh yes,
you could customize them to like your favorite teams, all sorts of different things. We made sweatshirts like this at Christmas time a couple years ago for our Christmas jammies, and it was one of my very favorite things that we've ever done.
I love mine.
Was that fun?
Yes, I love mine.
It was a really fun activity to do on Christmas Eve because, you know, everyone is so excited. If you're not traveling or like going anywhere, sometimes you're just home and it's like you just want the time to go by, and then it makes the time feel like it's not going by, and so it was a really fun activity. Anyway, all that to be said, we're gonna make these sweatshirts today. Hey, they didn't have an extra small, and Layla felt like it was just a little bit too big on the arms, but they do have youth sizes. It's not the same brand, so we'll see. But I do love this neck. I wish that they had these in kid sizes because that neck is so cute, but still super cute. Now we're gonna go check out the patches. Look at this, so cute, I love it.
I really like this.
Yeah, that's really cute.
I don't know which one to put back. I don't really like them that much.
I do really love what you have.
Yes, the cherry.
Yeah.
I think the cherry pops.
So cute. We will be back for you.
Bag secured.
We made it home from Hobby Lobby, got everything set up. We're gonna start in a second. I was trying to film and Finn was like, hi, into my phone camera. He was also saying cheese, cheese. Okay, this is what we ended up with from Hobby Lobby. I got 2 sweatshirts because I wasn't sure what size that I would want. The ivory didn't have an extra large, and I wasn't sure if I would like the large. They both look cute. I honestly like both sizes. They're so cute on. These ended up being $15. So if you're just looking for like a simple crew neck, I recommend these. Layla ended up getting the white sweatshirt in the kids section. She got a medium, very cute. We're done with napping, we're done.
I got this L, and then this cherry, and this balloon dog.
My only different one is I got this flower, the balloon dog, and a K. We thought it would be fun to have matching sweatshirts. Yeah. And I didn't know what ones I liked the most, and Layla's was so cute. Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm so excited to wear this.
The back of the patches are adhesive, so you can peel it off. You're gonna wanna make sure to peel it off, and then you can place it where you want it. Really cute. What do you think about this?
That's really cute.
Now we're gonna peel off the back. You wanna make sure to do that so that it's sticky.
It is sticky. My thumb stuck to it.
And then place that down and press it down really hard so that it stays. It was a good idea also to maybe try on your sweatshirt. The mock neck, it does go up a little higher, so you need to keep that in mind. You don't want your stuff too high that it's gonna bother you. So make sure that when you place it, you think about that. What do you think?
That's so cute.
Want me to hold it up for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay, once you have your patches pressed down, you're gonna take a cloth or something and place it over the top of your patches, and then you're going to put an iron on top for about 20 to 25 seconds. You wanna make sure that you're getting every patch. Now we're going to turn it inside out. Then we're going to iron those patches one more time. What do you think about the sweatshirts? They're so cute and fun. I don't know why it took me so long to pick this out because it just looks adorable. I think you could do anything and it would look so cute. Now we're matching, ready for a girls' night. You know what would be so cute if we got the black sweatshirts and did Halloween?
Yes!
Okay, that's happening.
That's happening.
That's happening,
Definitely.
Okay. You guys give these a try. I'm gonna leave a link for things that you can find on Amazon, but these sweatshirts are $15. I just don't know if you can find one that's as cute.
That is way less than real
It's
sweatshirt.
expensive. It feels like a good quality too. You know, it doesn't feel
Really
like
fun too.
cheapy. It feels really nice. This is the large. I definitely could have done an extra large in this one.
The insides are so fuzzy. Like I feel like someone's hugging you with the fuzz.
Let us know if you give these a try. We would love to see pictures if you want to make some and tag us on social media. And definitely watch for more crafts. We have a list of crafts that we want to make. Did you have fun crafting?
Yes.
Definitely need to craft more, huh?
Yes. It's like so fun being able to do it with my bestie.
My bestie girl. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Adios.